Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about eccentric angle and also the equation of the tangent at theta and the equation of the normal at theta. So yesterday we discussed about the direct circle and auxiliary circle. So students, the equation of the direct circle is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square, and the equation of the auxiliary circle is x square plus y square equal to a square if a greater than b, and x square plus y square equal to b square if a is less than b. Dear students, this is called direct circle. What is the students? The equation of the direct circle means the locus of the perpendicular tangents to the ellipse lies on a circle and concentric with the ellipse. This circle is said to be direct circle. The equation of the direct circle is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. Okay students? The auxiliary circle means the locus of the feet of the perpendiculars drawn from either of foci to the any tangent to the ellipse lies on a circle and concentric with the ellipse. Then that circle is said to be auxiliary circle. If a is greater than b, the equation of the auxiliary circle is x square plus y square equal to a square, and if a is less than b, that is x square plus y square equal to b square. Okay students? Right now, what is the students? Prove that the product of the perpendiculars from foci to the any tangent to the ellipse is the students b square. So, dear students, we are taking the any tangent. Now we have to find this one. What is the student? Focus is this one. This is S. This is S dash. When you can find the students, this is the product is undoubtedly that is a b square. What is the student? Just you can observe. When you are this is b, b into b is the must be b square. So dear students, the equation of the tangent, what is the student? The equation of the tangent having the slope m to the ellipse is, that is y equal to, dear students, y equal to mx plus or minus the a square m square plus b square under root. So dear students, we can written as the mx minus y plus or minus a square m square plus b square equal to 0. This is 1. So students, we have to find the product of the perpendiculars, that is SL into SM. From the first foci is here AE comma 0. This is minus AE comma 0. Dear students, we have to find the product of the perpendiculars. The product of the perpendicular drawn from foci to the tangent, that is SL into S dash. This is S dash M. So students, the SL is, we have to find the length of the perpendicular. That means perpendicular distance from focus to the tangent is, substituting x is the AE, that is AEM, y is the 0, plus or minus under root of a square m square plus b square in modulus upon is there a root of m square a square plus b square is the students m square plus 1. My dear students, we have to find the minus AE comma 0. What that is? Minus AE. Yes student, this is minus of AEM. So minus AEM, after that plus or minus a square m square plus b square, dear students, under root of similarly m square plus 1. This is what students we can written as, this is a. This is what first you can take root of a square m square either you are taking the plus sign or minus sign, that is a square m square plus b square. Suppose if you are taking the plus sign, after that student this is aem. After that this is what students, a square m square plus b square is there minus of aem. Now students, this denominator m square plus 1, so we know that root a into root a, that is a. So students, what we observed here, this is a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So student, this is a square m square plus b square minus of a square e square m square. What is the students? This is a square m square plus b square minus a square e square m square. So student, this is we can written as m square plus 1. So students, here we can written as, just you can take it as the common is a square m square is there. So what is the common in that? M square, a square is the common. This is what? 1. What is the remaining? E square. My dear students, the remaining in the numerator is b square, m square plus 1. So students, the a square into 1 minus e square is the formula of b square. What is the b square is? A square into 1 minus e square. So student, this is b square m square plus b square upon m square plus 1. Now we are taking the common is the b square. Now the m square plus 1, m square plus 1 cancel. This is the b square. This is what students? The b square is product of the perpendicular from foci to the any tangent to the ellipse, that is b square. Is it clear? Write down students. The product of the perpendicular from foci to the ellipse is b square. Now students, we will discuss another question, that is, if the normal, write down students, if the normal at the end of the lattice rectum of the ellipse dear students, if the normal at the end of the lattice rectum of the ellipse passing through the extremity of the minor axis passes through the extremity or end of the minor axis, extremity of the minor axis, So dear students, so that the eccentricity of the ellipse is denoted by e, then so that e power 4 plus e square minus 1. What is the students? Then so that e power 4 minus e square plus 1. Sorry students, e power 4 plus e square minus 1 equal to 0. E power 4 plus e square minus 1 equal to 0. So my dear students, the normal at the end of the lattice rectum. So dear students, here everybody know that the end of the lattice rectum is this one. This is always, we know that focal chord is perpendicular to the major axis. The focal chord is perpendicular to the major axis. Then it is called a latus rectum. One end of the latus rectum is the AE comma B square by A. And that is the AE comma minus B square by A. These are the vertices. So this is the B and the B dash. Dear students, this is know that A0 minus A0. This is 0B. This is the 0 comma minus B. Now this is the students tangent. Right now we find the normal. So dear students, yesterday we discussed the equation. The equation of the normal. My dear students, the equation of the normal at the point Px1 comma y1, the equation of the normal at the point Px1 y1 to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. What is the student is the form? A square x upon x1, a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1. This is the students a square minus b square. So what students? The a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. Now students, the a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. So dear students, at the point P is given that AE comma b square by a. What is the students? The PBA point here, AE comma b square by a. We know that the normal at x1 y1 is a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. This is what students? The a square x by x1 is the AE minus of b square y by y1 is the students b square by a. This is what students? A square minus b square. So one time a cancel. So my dear students, the one more condition is given that the normal at the end point of the latus rectum of the ellipse passes through the end of the minor axis. This is the tangent, this is normal, passing through the end of the, this is the students end of the minor axis. So students, end of the minor axis is the 0 comma minus b. So this is, what is the students? This is passes through the 0 comma minus b. So students, this is passing through the 0 comma minus b, 0 by some value 0. This is the minus into minus plus. B square term is cancelled. Y is the minus b, minus of minus plus. This is the students b by a. Is given that a square minus b square. So students, what we know that b square is the form, everybody know that a square into 1 minus e square. So here what we observe, the b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. This is what? B square equal to a square minus a square e square. So students, the a square e square equal to, this is what? A square minus b square. My dear student, the a square minus b square is, how to write this is b by a equal to, what is the student is? This is a square e square. Now students, when you can squaring on both sides, when it is the squaring on both sides, what is there? Dear students, when we are taking here the a square minus b square is a square e square. When you can squaring on both sides, this is b square by a square equal to a power 4 e power 4. What is the students? A power 4 e power 4. Now students, So what we observe students here, this is what the small dear students, here the small mistake is there. When we are substituting 0, this will be 0, b square is cancelled, we neglect here a is there. When we are substituting here, this is minus of minus plus b, b into a, that is the students ab. What is the students? This is not b by a, this is ab. Okay student, this is AB. So students, this is the AB. So my dear students, when we are taking the b square equal to a square into 1 minus a square, the a square 1, that is a square a square. Now the a square minus b square is the a square a square. So here, when we are squaring on both sides, what happened here? When you can squaring on both sides, that implies a square b square equal to a power 4 e power 4. Yes, a power 4 e power 4. So what is the formula of b square is a square into b square is the form a square into 1 minus c square a power 4 e power 4. This is what a power 4 is cancelled. These are all sending other side. E power 4 minus e square is plus e square minus 1 equal to 0. Dear students, you can understand here the e power 4 plus e square minus 1 equal to 0. So first we have to write the equation of the normal at x1 y1 to the ellipses. X square by ellipses a square x by x1 minus b square by y1 equal to a square minus b square. At the point is given at end of the lattice rectum, that is ae comma b square by a. Replaced by x1 is ae, y1 is the b square by a. These two are cancelled. Now this is ay. This is passing through the 0 comma minus b, 0. This is minus of minus plus b, that is a. That is ab. Okay students, a square minus b square is nothing but a square is square. When you can squaring on both sides, that is a square b square equal to a power 4 e power 4. A power 4 is cancelled. Now e power 4 plus e square minus 1 equal to 0. This is what students? The normal at the one end of the lattice rectum, if it is passing through the end of the minor axis, then e power 4 plus e square minus 1 equal to 0. Okay students? Now students, we are going to discuss about the eccentric angle. So here the eccentric angle. Dear students, right now we are going to discuss about eccentric angle. So dear students, first you can draw the auxiliary circle, then it is the ellipse. Now students, if you are take any point P on the ellipse, so this is the corresponding point of P on the auxiliary circle is the P dash. So my dear students, what we observed here, P dash is a lies on auxiliary circle. Everybody know that the equation of the auxiliary circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. In the circle, everybody know that how to write the P dash. P dash is the student, center is the 0, h plus r cos theta, k plus r sin theta. That is the parametric point in the circle. H plus r cos theta, comma k plus r sin theta. H and k values are 0. That is a cos theta, comma a sin theta, r cos theta, r sin theta, where r is the a cos theta, a sin theta. Dear students, it is a substituting here, a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta, that is a square. Is it clear? Now here what we observe, the corresponding point, the P of the ellipse lies on auxiliary circle. So my dear student, this is the center. Everybody know that this theta, what is the students? The NC P dash. So this is what students? The NC P dash is theta is called the eccentric angle. Dear students, PBA point on the ellipse. If PBA point on the ellipse, the ordinate here, my dear students, the NP is the students ordinate of the ellipse. So the corresponding point of P lies on the auxiliary circle P dash. C be the center of the ellipse. Then NC P dash equal to theta is called the eccentric angle. What is the students? First you can write Pn is the ordinate. Pn is the ordinate of the ellipse. And P dash is the corresponding point of P lies on auxiliary circle. C be the center of the ellipse. Then the angle NCP dash is called eccentric angle. What is the students? Eccentric angle. Now students, we have to find the parametric point P on the ellipse. So we have to know that this is the parametric point of the circle A cos theta comma A sin theta. Dear students, this is a vertical line which is parallel to the y-axis. Now the x-coordinates are equal. This is the students A cos theta comma 0. This is P is the students A cos theta comma y. So the equation of the ellipse x square by a square y square by b square equal to 1. What is the students? The x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. My dear students, the P A cos theta comma y lies on the ellipse. So students, this is substituting here the P A cos theta comma lies on the ellipse, that is a square cos square theta, a square cos square theta upon a square, y is there, y square by b square. Dear students, these are cancelled. Now this is y square by b square equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is the students sin square theta. We can written as b square equal to y square equal to b square into sin square theta. My dear students, the y equal to what is there? Y equal to b sin theta. What is the students? Y equal to b sin theta. So x is the a cos theta, y is the b sin theta. So students, the p equal to a cos theta comma b sin theta. A cos theta comma b sin theta is called parametric point. This is a square cos square theta. Y is the b square sin square theta. A square is cancelled here. B square is cancelled. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Is it clear? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is the 1. Okay. The parametric y is the where theta is the eccentric angle. A cos theta, b sin theta is called the parametric point of the ellipse. Now students, the theta is called the eccentric angle. So here the theta is lies between 0 to 2 pi. What is the students? The eccentric angle is lies between 0 to 2 pi. 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. My dear students, right now the equation of the chord whose eccentric angles are alpha and beta. What is the students? Now write the equation of the chord joining 2 points with the eccentric angles alpha and beta. Now students, the equation of the chord. The equation of the chord joining the points whose eccentric angles alpha and beta is the students the equation of the chord joining the points with eccentric angles alpha and beta on the ellipse x square by a square y square by b square equal to 1 is, what is the students, x by a cos of alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin of alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos of alpha minus beta by 2. So how to find this is the students? The x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2, y by b sin of alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos of alpha minus beta by 2. This is the equation of the chord. My dear students, this is the equation of the chord joining the points whose eccentric angles alpha and beta. So students, here this is the ellipse p alpha, this is the q beta. What is the students the p alpha? P alpha is the students a cos alpha b sin alpha. What is the students q beta is? This is nothing but a cos beta b sin beta. Now the pq, the equation of the pq is y minus y1 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is what students? x1 y1, this is x2 y2. After the simplification, we have to write the equation of the chord, that is x by a cos of alpha plus beta by 2, y by b sin of alpha plus beta by 2, cos of alpha minus beta by 2. When you are taking y2 minus y1, this is sin c minus sin d, this is cos c minus cos d. After simplification, this is the equation of the chord. Okay students, all of you complete this one. Okay, right now students, the another point is very important point. Suppose this chord is passing through the focus. Yes, suppose this is passing through the focus, either ae comma 0 or minus ae comma 0. Suppose students, if it is a passing through the ae comma 0, then tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 equal to e minus 1 by e plus 1. What is the students? The tan alpha by 2. If it is a focal chord, tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 is the e minus 1 by e plus 1. Yes or no? So this is the students. Suppose students, when you can write, suppose it is passing through the minus of AB, undoubtedly that is e plus 1 by e minus 1. Okay. Now students, that is tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2. Now student, if it is passing through the focus, yes. Suppose this is passes through the AE comma 0. What is the students? If it is passing through the AE comma 0. Now students, this is put x equal to AE by A, that is cos of alpha plus beta by 2. Y is the 0, that equal to cos of alpha minus beta by 2. My dear students, this is cancelled. Now we can written as cos of alpha minus beta by 2 upon, what is there, cos of alpha plus beta by 2 is there E. Dear students, now we can apply the componendo dividendo CD method. We have to know that by using componendo dividendo, we can apply on both sides componendo dividendo. Dear students, we can apply the method componendo dividendo. Okay, componendo dividendo. That means, students, that is what? Cos of alpha minus beta by 2 minus cos of alpha plus beta by 2. We are taking first minus. So cos a minus b by 2, that is a plus b by 2. So now taking plus cos of alpha minus beta by 2 plus cos of alpha plus beta by 2. This is, students, first you take minus, after that plus. This is also, students, we are taking e minus 1 upon e plus 1. So students, what we observed here, this is alpha by 2 minus beta by 2. This is also alpha by 2 plus beta by 2. This is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. What is the, students? Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin alpha by 2 into sin beta by 2. After that, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Dear students, the cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is the 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos of alpha by 2 cos beta by 2. This is e minus 1 by e plus 1. So students, sin by cos, tan. What is the, students? The tan of alpha by 2 into tan of beta by 2 equal to e minus 1 by e plus 1. This is also very important one. E minus 1 by e plus 1. That is nothing but when PQ is the focal chord, where alpha and beta are the eccentric angles lies on the ellipse. So then tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 is the, students, e minus 1 by e plus 1. Okay. Now students, right now we are going to discuss about the equation of the tangent and the normal at theta. The equation of the tangent and the normal at theta. Okay, students. Write down the equation of the tangent at p theta on the ellipse. The equation of the tangent at the p of theta on the ellipse is the, students, write down x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b equal to 1. What is the, students? X cos theta by a. This is x cos theta by a. Y sin theta by b equal to 1. Dear students, how to write this is? So students, so here, so what is here? First you can write the equation of the tangent. What is the, students? The equation of the tangent at p x1 comma y1 to the ellipse s equal to 0 to the ellipse. We can written as the ellipse x square by a square y square by b square equal to 1 is the equation of the tangent at p theta on the ellipse. On the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b equal to 1. So students, the equation of the tangent at x1 by 1 to the ellipse s equal to the ellipse x square by a square y square by b square equal to 1 is, what is that? xx1 by a square, y by 1 by b square. What is the students? S1 equal to 0. Everybody know that the equation of the tangent at x1 y1 to the ellipse is S1 equal to 0. That is xx1 by a square plus y by 1 by b square equal to 1. So student, p theta, that is a cos theta, b sin theta, this is denoted by p theta, parametric point, a cos theta, b sin theta. Now substituting here, x1 is the a cos theta upon a square, y into y1 is the students b sin theta upon b square equal to 1. Dear students, x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b equal to 1. What is the students? X cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b equal to 1. This is the equation of the tangent. Now students, the equation of the normal, at theta, that is the students ax by cos theta minus by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. What is the students? Ax by cos minus by sin equal to a square minus b square. The equation of the normal, dear students, the equation of the normal at x1 by 1 to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is, we know that, what is the students? A square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. What is the students? P theta, that is a cos theta, parametric point to the ellipse, simply denoted by p theta, a cos theta, b sin theta. This is the students we have to substitute in here. That is nothing but a square x by x1, that is a cos theta minus of b square y by b sin theta equal to a square minus b square. This is what students? A is a cancel, b cancel. Now we got ax by cos theta minus by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. Okay students, ax by cos theta minus by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. Write down students one theorem, the condition that, write down students, condition that, the line, my dear students, the line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 may be a tangent, maybe a normal to the ellipse. The line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 to be a normal, to the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is, what is the students? Is a square by l square, a square by l square, b square by m square equal to students a square minus b square whole square by n square. What is the students? A square by l square, b b square by m square is equal to, what is the students? A square minus b square whole square by n square. My dear students, how can you write this is? How to write this one? So we know that the normal at p theta to the ellipse. What is the students? Normal. We know that normal at p theta to the ellipse. The normal at p theta to the ellipse is ax by cos theta minus by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. Set that equation 1. My dear students, this is the normal at theta. Ax by cos minus by sin equal to a square minus b square. What is the given normal? To be a normal is, what is that one? The given normal is Lx plus My equal to minus n. Now students, 1 and 2 represents the same lines. 1 and 2 are represents the same lines. My dear students, when they are represent the same lines, we have to take the ratio of the coefficients. That means a cos theta by L into cos theta. Is it clear? A by cos theta by L, that is a by L cos theta minus b by m sin theta, that equal to a square minus b square upon minus n. So students, everybody know that the cos square, what is the cos theta here? Just you can, this is minus an. From this we know that the cos theta is sending to the here, that is minus an. What is the students? Minus an by L into a square minus b square. What is the sin theta from this? Minus into minus is the plus, that is a bn upon, what is the students? m into a square minus b square. We have to know that the cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So what is the students? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is the 1. Cos square theta is a square n square by L square into a square minus b square whole square. This is what? B square n square by m square into a square minus b square whole square equal to 1. Dear students, which is the common in the numerator is n square. What is the common in the denominator is a square minus b square whole square. From this here, a square by L square is the remaining. Here b square by m square. The common term is sending to the other side. A square minus b square whole square by n square. This is the condition. This is the condition for the line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 may be a normal to the ellipses a square by L square plus b square by m square equal to a square minus b square whole square upon n square. Okay students? So dear students, today we completed the eccentric angle and equation of the tangent at theta, equation of the normal at theta and condition for the normal. Okay. So tomorrow we will discuss about based on this model students. Tomorrow we will complete the some similar model question based on the concept about tangent and normal at theta. Okay students, thank you all. Okay. Conjugated diameter. Look at two concepts completely. Akash.